In 1952, our journey began with a modest mill processing 40 tons of wheat daily. Today, Crown Flour Mills has evolved into one of the region's most modern and competitive mills, with the capacity to process over 50,000 tons of wheat per month. Throughout the year, we've remained steadfast in our commitment to progress, investing in cutting-edge technologies, expanding our facilities, and providing ongoing training to our highly qualified team. These efforts have undeniably contributed to our success.
Our limited system fell short of meeting our complex needs, resulting in manual calculation of product cost that consumed time and introduced inaccuracies. That's when SAP Business One emerged as a promising option with its ability to unify modules and minimize data input error, giving us a revolution in our operations. The most impressive was SAP Business One capability to manage our business by eliminating past inefficiencies, enabling us to streamline processes, reduce waste, and ensure effective product management.
To tackle the complexity of our tasks, we turned to our trusted partner, Inflexion. Their support went beyond implementation and expectation. They guided us in adopting new add-ons that enhanced our supply chain flow, allowing us to stay innovative and adaptable in a rapidly changing landscape.
Embracing innovation, our SAP Business One efficiently handles hundreds of daily transactions, eliminating manual calculation and empowering our finance department to focus on strategic endeavors. This transformation has significantly boosted our overall competitiveness and agility as an organization.
With SAP and Inflexion as our agile partners, we maintain a competitive edge.